Welcome to my unboxing and first look at the Insta360 Mic Pro. This is an advanced wireless microphone with some really great features baked into it. Now, just to let you know, I purchased this from Clifton Cameras. I get pretty much all of my video and photo related products from them. They've got great customer service, really good pricing, and they got this out to me very quickly. Superb packaging too. I highly recommend them. You can find a link to their website down in the video description. So on with the unboxing. We've got a nice full color printed box with some spot sort of varnishing on the product there. It looks really very nice. You get a view of the microphone on a shirt collar just here. We take a look on the side here. It's got some of the features. So we've got a customizable e-ink display. Big feature. We've got a 3 mic array and directional pickup, AI chip for noise cancelling, up to 4 transmitters and 1 receiver, so you can record up to 4 people. Not with this kit, but with the sort of extended kit. This one is a 2 transmitter one. And here we go, we've got the 2 transmitter and 4 receivers as well. Wow, that's crazy. I didn't know it could do that. But you can have multiple different combinations of receivers and transmitters with this particular kit, so that's really good. I got the one with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. And then if we take a look on the side here, seamless connection to Insta360 cameras, so that's like a direct connection to their action cameras, for example. We've got auto gain control as well, 32-bit float internal recording, timecode sync support, extended battery life up to 30 hours including the charging case, and up to 400 meter range. On the back it's just got the box contents, but we're going to be taking a look inside the box anyway. So let's take this lid off. And when you purchase this, it does come wrapped, sort of shrunk wrap. I've already removed that outer packaging, and wow, inside we're presented with it straight away at the top. It looks so cool, and because this is an e-ink display, very minimal battery usage. You can use it to display things like this. You can even upload your own logo to it. It looks so cool. Wow, let's take a closer look at that. It just looks so nice. Very cool indeed. So let's just remove these. So that's they're magnetically adhered inside the packaging. We'll take a closer look at those in a short while. Let's take this top section off. I'm assuming there's some paperwork in here. Yeah, there's some safety guidelines paperwork in there. And then next layer down, we've got a quick start guide. This is going to guide you getting everything up and running, including the buttons connecting via Bluetooth and all the indicator lights, various LED status indicators. So cool quick start guide. And then we're into the main section. So we've got this portion here, which I'm pretty sure is going to be the charging case. And then we've got the accessories just here in an additional box. So let's start by taking a look at the accessories. So this first accessory is a little pouch, so you can keep all of your bits and pieces in when it's not in use, and inside we've got various organising pockets in there, so that's nice little sort of carry pouch. We get some warranty information just there. These, I'm not going to take these out of the package, but these are 2 little magnets, and they're used so you can either use the clip for the microphone or you can use the magnet. There we go. So there's just 2 magnets, one for each of the microphones. Then we have got a charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. We have got this little connector here. I will show you this. This is going to connect to the receiver. So this is a USB-C, so you can connect this to the receiver. So with that receiver, you can connect it USB-C to perhaps something like a laptop or a desktop, or you can use one of the, I'm assuming we get another cable, you can use one of the other cables to connect it to a camera. So this is going to be the camera connection cable. If you buy the next step down from this kit, you can get one without all of these extra bits in. It still comes with the connecting cable, I think, but you can get one that's just got like the mic, just one of the transmitter microphones in it, and that's ideal if you're going to direct connect it to an Insta360 camera. That's all you need, is just one of these. You don't need all of the other bits. So anyway, back to the contents of this kit. We've got this cable here, which will allow you to connect this to a camera. These are identical, so I'm only going to open one, and this is a wind muff, or dead cat they call it, for the microphone. We've got two mics, we've got two of these, and this just clips on. So you can see here, this is where the microphone pickup is, and this just clips over it. So if you're in a windy situation, that will help get rid of some of the wind noise. We get two of those. That's a really nice charger. Rubberized feet on the bottom. So this is the bottom, this is the back, and this is the front. So you slide that open like so. So this back section opens like so. That's really cool. Oh, there's a battery level meter on the side. So inside here, you've got little compartments where you can put things like these accessories. I'm assuming they do a lightning one as well. And these sit really nicely in the holders in there. And then this is the receiver. Very, very cool. It's got a little cover on it to stop it charging whilst it's in transit. But if I pop that back in, it should start charging. There we go. So you can see it started charging. Very cool. This is nice. So let's have a little closer look at the receiver. So we can set it to English. Let's make sure we set it to the right language. So we're on English there, and we're going to tap OK. Then we can set the date. So we are in 2026, and we're currently recording this in May, and the current date is the 27th. There we go. How do we do okay? Is it touchscreen? It is touchscreen, and then this is the time. So it's currently 1:46 p.m. I was up very late today. There we go, that's now set. And then you can scan the QR code to download the app, and you'll be able to use it. But basically you can go into it and use it without the app. So here we have got a little clip, so we can clip this to the top of a camera. We've also got this slide off cover here, which you can use with these adapters. USB-C in the back, on off button on the side. I think this is like an extra place here, so if this was on the top of the camera, you've still got an accessory shoe. And then we've got the headphone monitoring port, and also the port for connecting with this cable to your mirrorless camera, if you're going to use it with a mirrorless camera. And then when it's not in use, it goes back into the charging case. Very, very cool. And then these are your two mics, because this is a two mic kit. We're just going to show you one because they're both identical. We've got a clip on here. We have got a little connector there, and because that's on both of them, actually let's just pop this one in to the case, and it pulls into the case and starts charging. So when we close this up, you can just see it through this sort of smoked front. That is so, so cool. But that is now charging. You can see a little charging light as well, and it comes up on that middle display to show it's charging. So back to this, we have got USB-C, power on off. We've also got a record button just there. I assume this is the microphone. This might be for noise cancelling on the side. I'm not really sure. Oh no, I think this is because this has got different directional modes on it. So you can have it to record directional or omnidirectional. There's different settings in the app. So that's really cool. Let's just see what happens when we push the power button on here, if we've got any charge. So we have got this now turned on. We've got the blue pairing light on there, and the display stays the same. I'm assuming you have to set this up in the app to obviously change the display, and then this is the record button for the internal recording, and then if we push and hold the power button again, it turns it off. So very, very cool. Just look at how small this is. So we've seen other manufacturers do mics where you put different coloured covers over the top. This one from Insta360, you don't need a cover because you can customise this display. How cool is that? I think this is a really neat solution to professional quality audio. I can't wait to test it out, and I want to thank you all for watching this unboxing and first look. I'm very, very impressed. If you want to pick up one for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description. And if you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in another one very, very soon.